All rise. Support court with Judge Vonda B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1056, Hennigan case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Ms. Hennigan, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my ex-husband, since last year, doesn't come and get our children, doesn't take care of them, and he is just in and out of their lives, and I'm tired of it.
Okay. How many children do you all have?
We have 2 children.
All right. You said ex-husband, so how long have you all been divorced?
Whoa, plot twist in under a minute. We went from child support to surprise secret baby. And let's be honest, Judge Vonda's face said exactly what everyone watching was thinking. I wasn't expecting that. Neither was literally anyone in this marriage. And
We've been divorced for a year because he decided to step outside of our marriage and have another child.
Oh, okay. Okay. I wasn't expecting that.
Neither was I.
All right. So he has an outside child. How old is that child?
He ought to be about 1.
Okay. Do you know where he works?
Yes, he owns his own mechanic shop.
All right. Do you know how much he makes?
I do. He makes about 100 and...
now here's where things get serious. 1 to a year, owns his own mechanic shop, but somehow the kids are getting not really for support. Yeah, that math isn't mathing. In family court, judges look at responsibility, not excuses.
20 a year.
Okay. Does he do anything financially to support the children?
Not really. He did while we were married, but since we've been divorced, no.
Okay. And you say he doesn't pick them up or anything like that?
Every once in a blue moon.
All right, all right. Do you pay health insurance or does he pay health insurance?
I pay for everything.
Okay. How much is the health insurance?
About $326 a month.
And that's for the children only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, so let's take a look here. I see that.
And here comes one of the biggest courtroom mistakes people make. He didn't show up. Let me say that louder for the people in the back. If court sends you papers, you do not ignore them like a group chat notification. That usually ends badly.
He did not show up for court today. All right, I noticed he was served to be here today, looking at the documents that are before me. You haven't talked to him at all?
I have not.
Okay, did he say he wasn't coming to court today?
I have not talked to him,
Okay.
literally. And
This is called moving forward by default because he was properly served. The judge doesn't need to wait around for him. Translation: silence can get expensive, very expensive.
a couple of months.
Okay, well, good thing about it is that I can continue to move forward and place him on child support today because he was served to be here and he's technically on notice. So we're going to go ahead and move forward based on the testimony that you gave, okay? So at $120,000 a year, that's what you said he makes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I have his gross at $10,000 a month. That would bring his net to $7,584.25. And you say you all have 2 children and he has 1 outside child, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so giving him credit for that other child, that brings his child support to about
And notice this legal detail: the judge gives him credit for the outside child too. Family court isn't about punishment for cheating. It's about fairly calculating financial responsibility for all children involved. Cold, calculated, and very official.
$1,706. You said health insurance is $326 for the children?
Yes.
Okay, so he's going to reimburse half of that to you, so that $163 plus $1,706.
Boom, 1869 per month. That's the final number. Suddenly missing court doesn't feel like such a smart strategy, does it? Question for you guys: do you think that amount is fair, too low, or way overdue? Because honestly, the comment section is about to need supervision.
Dollars brings his monthly child support amount to $1,869 per month. Is there anything further you needed?
No, thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
And this is the real takeaway: court isn't just drama, it's documentation. If you show up prepared and the other side doesn't, the judge can only rule based on the facts in front of them. In this case, mom came with receipts, dad came with absolutely nothing.